call it how it is. Hendrix. I promise I swear, I swear. I'm there, Betty. Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, rep the set, gotta rep the set, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on.
Okay, the trapezius's function is to move the scapula and support the arm. The latissimus dorsi is responsible for the extension, abduction, and the internal rotation of the shoulder joint. The levator scapula allows for downward rotation, and when the shoulder is fixed, this muscle rotates and flexes the cervical spine. The deltoids have three distinct functions that correspond to the three bands of muscle fibers by contraction of the anterior fibers. Rhomboids allow the retraction of the scapula, pulling it towards the vertebral column. The supraspinatus allow for the abduction of the arm and stabilizes the humerus. The infraspinatus allows for the external rotation of the humerus and stabilizes the shoulder joint. The gluteus medius helps with the abduction and the medial rotation of the thigh at the hip. The gluteus maximus muscle is responsible for movement of the hip and the thigh, while the caudofemoralis abducts the thigh. The bicep femoralis helps perform knee flexion and hip flexion, while the gastrocnemius allows the flexing of the foot at the ankle and the flexing of the leg at the knee joint.
Abducts and laterally rotates the thigh and flexes the knee. The gracilis abducts the thighs and flexes and medially rotates thighs while walking. Fascia latae flexes and abducts thighs and also rotates the thigh medially. And medially rotates the thighs. The semimembranosus extends the thighs and flexes the knee. The semitendinosus extends the thigh and hip flexes the knee.
Next muscle is the trapezius.
The pectoralis major is a prime mover of the arm and rotates the arm medially. The pectoralis minor pulls the scapula anteriorly. Abdominis flexes and rotates the lumbar region of the vertebral column. The external oblique aids the rectus abdominis with the vertebral column, and it does the same for the internal oblique. The transverse abdominis compresses abdominal contents. Elbow joint. The triceps extends the forearm.